Welcome to my channel. Today I will make some pot roast. Here in this cannery here, there is 4 pounds of chicken legs into this cannery, and the ingredients that we're using into this cannery here, into this pot roast, is spice and clove, Chinese sauce, salt to taste, and pepper. So let me get right into it. This chicken already half cooked, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is add the Chinese sauce into it and the spice and clove. I'm gonna add the spice and clove into it and the Chinese sauce. Putting the Chinese sauce into it. And you turn it on medium heat and let this cook in. And I'm gonna put my black pepper, to taste, black pepper to taste, sugar to taste. Now this is a kind of a nice sweety kind of taste of call it pot roast. Get a sweety taste. And salt. To taste. You can see that I didn't put too much of the salt. So I'm going to let this cook in, so you could give it a color, a nice dark brown color. And you could get this Chinese spice from any one of the West Indian supermarket or the Chinese store, the Chinese the vegetable stand, or whatever you call it. You get this Chinese sauce from there, or you go to Queens, Leftwood Boulevard, where you could get most of the West Indian stuff there, if you can't get it anywhere close by. This is the only hood living in New York and living in the Queens area. You could go and get this Chinese sauce. Chief Chinese sauce. Very good to season up your meat and give your meat a rich and nice brown color. Very nice and tasty also. I'm going to let this come to a boil, and I'm going to come back and let you see how it looks.